Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If thumbnails are not showing correctly, displaying the wrong image preview, or showing blank icons in Windows 11 or Windows 10, then this video is for you. Windows stores thumbnail previews in a cache to load them faster. Sometimes this cache becomes corrupted, which causes preview issues. In this video, I will show you how to clear the thumbnail cache. So let's get started. First click on the start button, then type disk cleanup. In the search result, click on this one, disk cleanup option, then select installation drive. Usually it will be C. Then click on the OK button. Now under disk cleanup window, scroll down to the bottom and ensure thumbnails are checked. After this, click on the OK button. Now click on the delete files button. That's it. Windows will now clear all thumbnail cache. That's all about this video. Bye.